for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Those threes on that thing for me one time. I'm so excited for this video today, y'all. I am doing a haul, a clothing haul for the first time, me purchasing from SHEIN. So I'm so excited. I really want to just go ahead and get everything started because I'm so happy about the stuff that I purchased, and I will be leaving a link down below. So again, thank you for tuning in, and let's go and get it started. So first up, look at all this stuff. First of all, I can't even hold it. Can I say, first of all, I love the packaging of SHEIN stuff. I think they did their ish with the packaging and the folding and the way that the devices, I'm still at work, y'all, and the way that they folded everything and labeled everything. Not completely labeled it, but you feel me? Let's go ahead and get it started. I'm going to start with what I have on now. Okay, so I don't even know how many pairs of these shorts I bought, but I got them all in the size extra large. And as you can see, perfect fit, you feel me? So I really like these, and they so stretchy. Look at that. Look at all that room I got. I got thunder thighs. Look at that. Closer up so you can see just the shorts of it. But look at it. And it's so stretchy that I still have room. That's why I keep pulling this down, because I have so much room that literally I could look at all this room I have in these shorts. I love it, because even on my days when I'm finna let my stomach out, like, I still got room to look cute. You feel me? Like, I don't have one bad thing to say about these shorts. Like, I don't, you know how you have to hide your bagel when shorts be too tight and your bagel just be like, you don't even have to do that. Like, honestly, like, it perfectly protects the bagel and still looking snatched. Like, I'm so obsessed with these. Like, it's ridiculous. You feel me? In same style tie-dye, you know, because it's cute. You know, you can wear it with a black shirt like I'm wearing now, or you can wear it with a white shirt. Now, these are the blue, I think. I don't even know what I got. Okay, so I got them in so many different colors that I don't even know which ones to show y'all. I'm trying to find them. Okay, I think I got them in 4 colors. So these are the green ones, red ones, and I think these are blue. I can't tell, but I know I got a blue. Yes, okay. So these are the blue ones. These are the blackish and grayish ones, I think. But then they look a little bit purple, so I have to leave description down below so you can see. I don't know, they look different, but they still cute anyway. Okay, so that's for these shorts, and I got them again, all the shorts that I have like these, I got them in an extra large, so they fit me so perfectly and leave so much room and so much. Woo, that hurt. Oh, my bagel. Oh, it's very elastic. So very elastic, and I got an extra large because I didn't know if a large would fit me, but honestly I feel like I could have gotten away with a large, but I prefer the extra large now that I got them on. But anyway, so of course I already know how I'm gonna feel about all the other shorts because these fit so wonderfully and they so smooth. I love the material. I just can't stop moving in them, you feel me? Wait, oh dang it, this is my daddy dance. That's my daddy dance. I bet you remember. I bet you remember. I bet you do you remember the time when we fell in love? You remember the time when we first met, girl. Anyway, that was one of my favorite songs by Michael Jackson. Me and my daddy used to hit that. Shout out to my gorilla, my King Kong, my ace, my father, Papa Dak. You feel me? OG, triple OG, that's his name. Oh, love you, daddy. Hope I don't get a whooping for this video, but yeah, so for the shorts, it's definitely a yes. Okay, so moving on to this shirt. Let me scoot back a little bit. Moving on to this shirt. It's just a regular black t-shirt, but it's actually a crop, which I love. I love me a crop only because almost everything I wear is high-waisted, even if it's not meant to be, because I have such a short torso and a specific build that prompts me to have pants that will fit me one way but won't fit me the other. Thick girls, you know what I mean, okay? But yeah, so this t-shirt actually I got just in a large. I have it in white. You'll see the white one. I'm gonna put on some different shorts and then a white top so you can see the difference. But I like this. Like, it's not too tight on my arms, which I have big arms right here, so this meat hang, I love that. It's not too tight right here. It's not too tight around my neck. It's like perfect size for me. For the red shorts that I got, still tie-dye like the other ones, in an extra large. I love these too. And this is the white shirt just like the other one, just a regular crop. Now the shirt itself is not see-through, but it's not completely opaque. You feel me? But for the most part, I really like, again, the fit. I got them both in a large, and all the shorts, of course, in extra large. So I really like it. It's not too cropped. It's still decent enough, but yeah, for the most part, for the two crop tops and all the shorts, definitely 100% yes. Now, I'm going to try on the other shorts that I got. These other two pairs. I'm going to keep these are the green pairs of the shorts. I'm going to back up just a little bit. Move that out the way. So these are the green shorts that I got. Same as the other ones. All extra larges. All same style, which is the tie-dye. Now, I will say the red pair was not as tie-dye as this one. You could only tell it's tie-dye pretty much right here and just a little bit on the back. But the green pair, you can really see the difference. I'm going to get a little closer so you can tell. Again, it's a whole bunch of stretch in these shorts. So, honestly, even if you was just a little bit thicker than me, baby, you could do it. You could get away with it. I mean, I could have got away with a large, but I like the room in these. So, these are what the green pair looks like. These are, that's a much better angle. I'm sorry, my back dropped. My back dropped, y'all. It don't go all the way. No, but this is the blue pair of the shorts. And I want to say these might be my favorite color. Only because they're right on the verge of being purple, but still the pretty blue that I love. So again, these shorts in an extra large. This one you could tell tie-dye more than the red pair. I don't know what's up with the red pair, but still cute. I'm still gonna wear them all. This is a closer up of the blue pair. This is the tie-dye, the pattern. Okay. Okay, so this is one of the other tops that I got. Sorry, I want you to see it. It's just that it's so white. I was not expecting how white it was. It didn't look as white on the model. Maybe it's just me, but the shirt glistening more than my skin, and I'm jealous. But no, I'm just playing. For the most part, it has a little tie, a little functioning tie that you actually have to tie. Now, it's not scrunched, so you can't move this. I wish I could have tied it just a little bit tighter, so I'm not showing too much. But for the most part, I like this shirt. I'm going to stand up so you can see. But it is a little bit cropped. The arms at the end are not as tight as I would like it to be. I got this in an extra large. I keep seeing people with this shirt. I mean, it's not too cropped. It's just a little crop, you feel me? Like, it's like right above my belly button, my donut, you feel me? But the only thing I don't like about it is how white. I wanted it to be an off-white. But I mean, it's fine. You know, I still like it. I want to say if I had to rate it out of 10, I would give it an 8. The only thing that makes it an 8 is the loose sleeve around my wrist. I don't like that. I like it to be tight around my wrist. But yeah, this extra large is a perfect fit for this shirt. So I like it, you know. I like the material's a little bit thinner than it looked like, but it's cool. I mean, I can't really complain. It's giving me major shoulder vibes though. Like, scoot up a little bit so you guys can see it. It is, ooh. I like how white this one is. I like the style. It was giving me major 90s vibe. Like I can see it with some high-waisted jeans, a black belt, maybe some mom jeans and some boots. Like it was giving me poetic justice, you know, major 90s vibe, so I had to get it. Now, this is what I mean about a sleeve. I want it tight like this, baby. See how tight that is? I love it. I got this in just a large, actually, so I feel like I could have sized down with the other shirt before in a large, but I like this detail, this U, and this crop. I just love, like, honestly, like, it's so, sorry, I'm smashing packages. Just like FedEx. Shots. Anyway, yeah, this is definitely getting a 10. This might be my favorite shirt out of all. I'll show you how it looked, me standing up. So, I mean, it don't look too bad. You know, the jeans, again, high-waisted. Everything on me is high-waisted, but if they weren't, it would still look pretty cute. I'm just loving these shorts, y'all. I can't get over it. Period. Anyway, I could do that challenge if I wanted to. I like it. Yeah, this shirt gets a 10. I could have got the other shirt in a large. I think I did, actually. Now, this is just a white tube top that I got, because I have other tube tops. I have a black one, I have a pink one, but I never had a white one. I always needed a white one, and I finally bought me a white one, and it's cool. Like, I like it. It's not too tight. You know, I got this in a large. It's pretty, a lot of actual support, and it's really thick, which I like, so it's not see-through. This definitely gets a 10 as well. I like it. It's not crushing me on the sides like this. Like, yeah, I want to be snatched, but I don't want my jelly rolls out. And this is perfect. It's shaping as well. This is the next shirt that I got. It's just a little gray crop top. It does have a little, like, detailing. I think I might have to pull it up. But this is a little bit loose on the sides, like around my underarms. I don't know if I'm lacking up here, but it's cool. It's cute. I still like it. It's just a little tank top. Now, it does have a little bit of detail. Let me get close enough so you can see. Oh, too close. Okay. There we go. Do you see the little design right around the neckline? I like. It's just this so loose right here. Like, dang, what you want me to do? If I can't fill it out, I can't fill it out. But it has the same detail at the bottom, as you can see, which I think is cute. It's like baby doll style. So I like it. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this shirt. Ooh, I can't wait. This is the next shirt, and I will have to say I'm in love. I got this shirt in an extra large. It does have 4 buttons. I'm wearing it the way the model wore it. These buttons are functional, so if you wanted to lie, you could, but I ain't gonna do all that. I might wear it buttons all the way down because it's still a little sweetheart, little baby doll look. I like it. Has the same detail as the gray one that I had before. The little, let me get closer. This little detail here, the buttons are brown, but still coordinates well with the gray. And it doesn't have that detail around the neckline like the other one, but it does have it around the sleeves. Now, this was not the last thing I bought. I bought 2 dresses. I always try and include at least 2 shirts, 2 bottoms, and 2 dresses in my haul. So I did get 2 dresses. The other dress was in an extra large, but I just haven't gotten it yet. I checked the shipping and everything. It's not even on its way to me. All there is a label created. So hey, when I do get it though, I will post a picture probably on my Instagram, my social media. Just follow me. My ats are going to be in the intro, and I will also start putting my ats in the description box, along with the sizes and names and links of the products I purchased. So it's last for this video, but you will see another one. I like it. is what the strap looks like. I don't think it's the same purple as what's in the tie-dye. Ooh, my legs. Legs got stuck in my hair. Anyway, but I still like this dress. Like, if I had to get it in colors, I would get it in every one they offer, baby. But yeah, I still like this dress. Like, it's not too fitting. You know, you still breathe in it. You know, I don't know about y'all, but me, when I drink alcohol, my belly bloats, okay? It goes, whoop. You feel me? So if I'm finna go out in this, I need a dress that's gonna, you know, allow me to bloat a little bit when I drink. But for the most part, the straps are cute. It has pretty good support. You feel me? So I will say overall, this was a successful haul. Everything was true to size. I will include my measurements in the description box below, as well as my social media, as I stated before. I feel like I'm missing something. What am I missing? I don't know. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Throw them threes on that thing for me one time. Oh, I know what I was missing. Okay, so I'm going to include a little side-by-side of how it looks on the model and how it looks on me. So you can see the difference, you feel me? But for the most part, I'm satisfied. I don't know why, but this just got me feeling so... you feel me? Like, I feel so pretty in this dress. Like, it's so flattering on me. Yeah, this is a very flattering material. I like it. Like it. Okay. Anyway, again, my name is Shalise. Thank you for tuning in. Next time you walk my way, I'll know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? Boy, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? I'm getting tired, y'all. I'm getting tired. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.